Hey, what's up? Today I'm reviewing the Kingbolen ediag Elite, a cheap OBD2 scanner that works with both iPhone and Android. This thing does full system scans, live data from every module, bi-directional tests, and service functions, all with free lifetime updates. Yeah, free updates for life. I tested it on my Chevrolet Cruze. First, I plugged it into the OBD2 port, started the ignition, downloaded the ediag app, and connected to my car. The app asked for the car model and year, so I put in Chevrolet Cruze and the year it was made. Then I ran a full system scan, which took just a little over 1 minute. When the scan finished, I could see all the fault codes and even make diagnostic reports. Here's a cool bit. Next to each fault code there's a Think GPT button. Tap that, and an AI assistant gives you advice about what that code means. Honestly, that's super helpful if you're not a pro mechanic. You can make a PDF report from the faults and share it with apps, Bluetooth, or send by email. That's great if you want to send it to a mechanic or keep a record for yourself. Now, this scanner isn't just engine only, it's full system and bi-directional. That means you can access any control module in the car and even activate stuff remotely to see if it works. For example, I went to the door module and rolled down my window just using the scan tool. No need to mess with switches or buttons. Every control module has a different set of tests. In the engine module, I got bi-directional test options for engine components like fuel injectors or the cooling fan. That's usually something you see only in expensive professional tools. ediag Elite pulls hundreds of live data parameters, way more than the 10 or 20 you get from basic code readers. Just check out how many groups of data it shows for the engine alone, and inside each group, dozens of parameters you can dig into. You can pick exactly which data points you want and build your own custom live data page. I set one up for gas pedal data to watch it while driving. You can combine values into graphs and record them to review later, which is perfect if you're testing stuff alone on the road. On the home screen, you'll find service features. Kingbolen ediag Elite supports 15 different service resets: oil reset, brake unlock, DPF regeneration, and even some rare ones like immobilizer reset or injector coding. Not every function works on every car, since it depends on the vehicle's system, but having those options at this price is impressive. You also get global OBD functions on the home screen. That's the same stuff you find on simple engine code readers, but built into the tool. It lets you read engine codes, see engine data, and check readiness monitors to see if your car will pass emissions. This is handy because sometimes going through advanced diagnostics takes longer and doesn't show you this basic info quickly. I like that global OBD has its own section because it's a quick way to get the core engine data without waiting for a full scan. The data names here are generalized across brands, so it works on pretty much every car. So, is this scanner worth it? Honestly, yes. Given how cheap it is and all the features you get, full system scan, bi-directional tests, service resets, live data, and free lifetime updates, it's a very good deal. Some code readers with 20% of this functionality cost way more, but I want to keep it real. There are some downsides. For example, when I tried it on my old Gold, the scan took forever and it only detected the engine module, no ABS or airbags. Sometimes it can feel a bit slow, but for this price and with free updates, it's still a strong pick for DIY mechanics who want a lot without spending a ton. If you want something very similar, check out the Xtool A30 scanner. It has almost the same features and also free lifetime updates. I linked both of these in the description below. Also, if you're not sure which scanner fits your budget or needs, I've got a full guide on my website to help you pick the right one. Link is in the description as well. Alright, that's the Kingbolen ediag Elite. Cheap, full-featured, and beginner-friendly with free lifetime updates. If you want to grab one, check the link below. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips on scanners and car diagnostics, visit iamcarhacker.com. Catch you next time.